Hello pupils, welcome to our today's lesson. We are going to look at conditional sentences. We want to look at conditional sentences. What are conditional sentences? These are sentences which one thing must happen for a second one to happen. For a second action to happen, it entirely depends on the first action. So that it can happen now. These conditions or conditional sentences are also known as if clauses. They are known as if because they start with the if clause. Now we have conditional sentences. The first type of a conditional sentence is likely condition. It is also known as probable condition. Probable condition. Secondly, we have unlikely condition, which is also known as improbable conditions. Then the last one, we have impossible. An action is not likely to happen, but there is a small possibility that it might happen. There's a slight possibility, a small possibility, though it is not likely to happen. So when we are forming this kind of a sentence, improbable sentence, we have if clause plus past simple tense plus would. Let's see that in sentences which are given there. I have if we played, we would win. If we played, we would win. If plus played, which is the past simple of the verb play, and would there. In this sentence, winning would have occurred if the playing was done. But now, these people have not played and there is no chance of them playing. So, they have not won. So, in that sentence, it means that these people would have won only if they played. And there is no that chance. It is not likely to happen because there is no other time for them to play. Then another one is if I sang, they would clap. If I sang, they would clap. Meaning that these people have not clapped because I didn't sing for them. These people didn't clap because I did sing for them. But if I would have sung, then these people would have clapped for me. Then we have another conditional sentence which is known as impossible condition. Impossible condition, this kind of a conditional sentence talks about an action that cannot happen. It can't happen. So I have a clause there, if plus past perfect. It's something which had passed. then would, and helping verb have. Example in sentences, I have, if I had sung, they would have clapped. If I had sung. So, sung there is past perfect of the verb sing, because I have had there, plus would have. So meaning these people, this person, already there is no room of him or her singing. So these people cannot clap for him or her. That is why now he says that if I had sung, they would have clapped. So they can't clap again because this person does not have a chance to sing. Then the last sentence there, also the last example is, if I had played, I would have won. So this person didn't play, and there is no possibility of him playing, and is regretting. Could be he feared the opponent, but the opponent maybe was given another team and won against, or that team won against the opponent whom the person was fearing. Now the person is regretting that if I had played, I would have won. Or the person was denied a clear chance of playing. So he is confirming that if he would have been given time, he would have won the game. So that is impossible condition. Remember, we have looked at 3 types of conditional sentences. First one being likely condition, which is also known as probable condition. The action is likely to occur. Then we looked at number 2, which is also known as unlikely condition. Unlikely condition is also known as improbable conditions. Here, an action is not likely to occur, but there is a small possibility of it happening. The small possibility of it happening. Then we have also finalized that by looking at impossible condition. Under impossible conditions, we have realized that there is no any room for the action to happen. It is something of the past. Thank you very much. Stay safe at home.